Alright guys, today this will be part 2 of creating a view file and generating a Gerber file just for the top layer. I'm just going to solve for the top layer so that we can wrap up soon and check the Gerber file as well. So top layer and still screen top, these are two layers that I'm going to create. Yeah, let's start. View, uh, color view, load. Sorry. Okay, so one thing that I would like to mention is I already created one TTT and this will be stored here as ttt.color, right? And in my previous video, I think you can see, like for example, if I highlight top, go to options, what are the class and subclass that has been highlighted can be checked. So likewise here for the TTT, you can check, like if I go here, so board outline has been highlighted and ads top has been highlighted. So yeah, so what I want to do is I want to delete this, right? So TTT is right here, so I'm gonna dot color file. Let me delete this, and still it's gonna be here. To remove that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click open and click right here. Yeah, this will remove the color file. So I'm going to add new one view, then color view save. I'm going to turn it off, go to, and go to color. Where is that color? Let's stack up. I need top, right? And what else? I'm going to need board geometry and outline. These are the two things that I need for and the nomenclature that I'm going to use is right here. So for top layer, layer 1, L01 underscore top, and for intermediate L02 underscore ground 1, for example, as per your design. In my case, yeah, L02 ground 1, L03 sig 1. So it's going to be this way, the nomenclature, and SLT, SLB, seal screen top, seal screen bottom, SMT, solder mask top, solder mask bottom, piece mask top, piece mask bottom, assembly top, assembly bottom, fab, outline, and dimension. I'm going to generate all of this, and this will be a separate video. For now, I'm going to just generate this and this right here. Yeah, so let me bring that up again. So for now, let me just name random. It's fine. L1, L1 top, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna save this, and once I save this, it's pop up right here. And let me turn off everything, and I'm gonna go to now board geometry, design outline. Then what else? Okay, geometry, sales top. All right, and components, ref dash, sales screen top, and what else? For geometry, sales screen top. Right. So yeah, for the logo. Yeah. So that's all for sales screen top. So I'm gonna name it as SLT. All right, done. So we have created these two views. As you can see, it's pop up right here, and it's here as well. I'm going to turn it off everything, or turn on everything, in fact. Okay, so this is what we have. We see all the layers that we have right now. So SLT, only the um, outline and ads on top, and this outline and sales screen top. So we have enabled three classes, right? One is in the board geometry, design outline, and package geometry, silk screen top, and ref test, silk screen top. So these are the three classes and subclasses that we are using right now. So we are done regarding generating the view file. So these are the two files. And generally what I would do is I'll just copy this and then save it, for the future use. Um, Color files like this. I'm gonna save it here and yeah, replace file destination. So so that I can use them later on. Like by view color load, I can load the color, right? So anyway, okay, let's do that. So I had this color view load. I just had I have this some other files which I just sold. Now, so let's say for example bottom L60 bottom. Uh, so just loaded, but it's not showing up here because I have to bring um, this right here in the working directory. Then only it will be uh, loaded, right? All right. So do I see? No. So file, open, file, open, all files. Back here. Cool. Now we can see the bottom as well, right? So yeah, this is very important uh, to make things, to organize the files and for the future use as well. Like for example, I've created SLT and I don't need to recreate SLT or SLB, silk screen top, silk screen bottom for another project. I can just copy this and transfer it in the other design file. The only thing that I would need to change is the layer numbers files, right? That's all. Silk screen top, silk screen bottom. This won't change at all. Um, this won't change at all. Only this and only this, and the layer number will be changed. That's all. Once we change the design, right? So yeah, it's very important to do that. And yeah, coming back to the Gerber part. So we have only two of them. Okay, three actually. Um, uh, so what I'm going to do is let's go to manufacturing. So the Gerber generation file, right? I'm going to go to artwork and then let's delete this default. God, God, this was generated by default by Cadence Allegro. I'm gonna add one and name it as all right. Let layer one chop. Oh no, this is SLT, right? So SLT. Um, okay. Then I'm gonna cut this out. Cool. And I'm gonna add another, and this will be L1 chop. And okay. So board geometry. So okay. So L1 top. I'm gonna change this to L1 top. And is there any update display for visibility? No. SL1 top. Add. Match display, right? Okay. So now it has changed, right? So we are good to go for Gerber generation. Before that, I would like to change this for any unsigned here to 1 and 0.1, right? So click OK to save it. Manufacturing artwork. So have these two saved, and then yep. So I'm gonna select all, create artwork. What do we have here? Warning: arc segment this is converted is too large for all warning. Alright, created. Okay. So it has generated, the artwork has been generated, as you can see, .art, slt.art, right? So we're gonna have a quick look on this art file. So I'm using ViewMate. I already have a video about Gerber viewer earlier, so you can have a look at the best Gerber viewer that I would choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring them here. Okay, okay. Um, yeah, so this is my, let me quickly change the color to yellow. Okay, and let's change this to color um, green. All right, so that's it. So we have our silk screen and a copper pour. Okay, so one thing that we need to do is and this is our design outline. Yeah, looks perfect. Silk screen top. Pin number one is right here. Pin number one right here. Pin number one right here. Yeah. So next thing would be a drill file generation, right? We haven't done that. All right. So for the drill file, I'm gonna go to close this, close this. Manufacturing, NC drill, and this will be the drill file. Auto select tools, parameters, enhance. Okay, and then where it's gonna store in this same directory, save drill. Yeah, so this is the drill file, right? And I'm gonna load this drill file as well right here, and let's see. Change this color to dark red. Okay. Oops. Let this be green, and let's change this to color dark red. Okay. Yep. So now as you can see, this is the drill location. Let me de-highlight. Right. And yeah, drill file cool. Let's go and see the via as well. Yeah. So this is the via under the pad that we designed. So this will be the ultimate one that we're going to use. It's 2.5, I believe. Let's check once. Okay, where is that? Close. Yep, let me check the via. Okay, this is not the one that we're going to use. Let us quickly route and then layer 3 2.5 TLC PCB. Yep, so this is the one that we're going to use, right? Okay, save this, yes, and I'm going to regenerate the drill file again. So this is 1, 2, 3, third row, third. Good. Manufacturing. Where is that drill? And C drill. Go to select parameters. Find drill. This is generated just now. I'm gonna bring this right here. Alright. So, yep. This is the one. Right. It's a little bit smaller than the one that I have, but not this small, of course. Yeah. So that's all, guys. Regarding the yeah, we can do one more layer if you want. So what I want is, let's do paste mask, right? View, where is that? View, create color view, save, paste mask top, PMT, and color, turn off everything, and then go to geometry, paste mask top should be on what? Pins, right? Components, geometry. No. So if I remember correctly, it's the pins, and yeah, as you can see here, paste mask top, right? Yep. So you can see here. Let me turn this off. It's in the pin solder mask top. I was looking for paste mask top, right? Okay. Anyway, let me turn this off. Color on, off, stack up. Yep, it's right here. Paste mask top, and off paste mask top, save it, and solder mask top as well. Alright, so for that, I'm gonna go back to color, turn off everything, solder mask top right here. Okay, save it. Alright, we got two more views right here. Solder mask top, paste mask top, right? Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to manufacturing, artwork, then solder mask top. Okay, let's change. Paste mask top. Let's do paste mask top. Okay, so okay, I think this is fine. Via class paste mask top. Alright, then solder mask top. Add SMT. Okay, change this to 0.1 and this to 0.01 as well. Yeah, I'm gonna select this two. Let's select everything in fact. Create artwork. Okay, let's scroll down and summary created. Yep. Okay, let's save it. Yes. And then the art file here, solder mask, shell screen, and layer 1 top, and then the drill file. So, yep, let me bring them right here. I'll put some here. It isn't for informative 5 maximum, so which is fine. Okay, fine. I'm gonna remove them. Yep, so let's start from, let's change this to this color again. Okay. So our top, let's bring this screen top right here. And let's change this color to yellow. Okay. Yeah, this we saw already earlier. Cool. Then paste mask top. So this is the solder paste, right? So wherever there's assembly components, has to be here with the same size as pads. So I'm curious about the one with wherever there's via, there should not be solder mask, right? So cold, this is for soldering, fine. This is the one that we're interested. So we want our via to be masked, right? So if I see the drill file right here, yeah, so this is the, and it's not masked, which makes sense, right? Yep. Again here as well. Okay, let me highlight this. So the one in the red is won't have a solar mask, the green color on it, so it will be exposed, something like uh, this right here. Uh, yeah, so the green color is the one on the black, and the red will be the exposed for soldering it. Yep. So I think that's all for today regarding quick generation of Gerber and creating view file and generating the drill file as well, and viewing the Gerber in a ViewMate, which is a free software, one of the best actually. I think that's all for today. I forgot to mention one thing. Once we are done with the Gerber file generation, we might need to generate a PDF for debugging, for checking and all. Yeah, to do that, what I'm going to do is we already have this, right? So we can go to File, Export, and then PDF, right? And this were the views that we created, right? So I'm gonna click them all. Parameter, I think we already have this discussed earlier. Auto size scaling 1, and then create output in black and white. Let this be color. And what else? Create separate PDF for each art. No, we want in the same PDF. Then where it's gonna store, here. I'm gonna put it on the PDF generated footprint, as PDF. But it won't be in the footprint. Let's create a folder, Gerber. Right. Let's say G1. Save it. Export it. All right, this is what we have. So this is the cell screen top, SLT. Let me do one thing. Let me change this to black and white. It's not visible at all. The yellow color is not visible. Cell screen top, and the next layer is layer 1 top. Okay, and then we have paste mask top. Cool. And then solder mask top. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check black and white. The same file G1 export. I'm gonna go right to that folder, Gerber G1. G1. Then I save it. Yes. Let's change this to G2. Yeah, I did check black and white mode. Let's do G2. All right, so this is black and white, which looks much better. This is the trace. Okay, I want to try out something else as well. Fill pads, fill shapes, fill. Okay, and property options, filter drawing, filter, header filter, display components, without the package name. Okay, so let's change this to G3. Okay, export. Yeah, so we need this to fill it up, right? Um, okay, okay, all right. So the must stop. Cool. Want to check something. Okay, it's right over this. Let's G3 is the must stop. Okay. Number two. Anyway, so yeah, so these are the final settings that I would suggest to use. Fill paths, fill shapes as well. Yeah, and then yeah, so and later on I'll make another video where I included all the layers and all the required uh, layers as per this light right here. And I'm going to create everything. We're going to create everything in a different video. For now, that's all. So we have created view file, dot color file, right? And then we have generated artwork that is dot art file, and we have created a drill file, and then we have generated a PDF file for documentation and all. Yep, that's all we need. And I've shown just for a few layers: SMT, SLT, base mask top, and layer one top. We're gonna continue this video on separate where we create all the layers, right? So yeah, that's all for today. Ciao guys.